Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson polynomials. Now coming to worksheet 1. The first question is, find out whether the given expression is a polynomial or not. If not, give reasons. So in the introduction you have learned what is a polynomial, isn't it? So first question is 5x cube minus 4x squared plus 1 by 2. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. The power of the variable is 3 and 2. Then it is correct. Now, the square root of 3 z squared minus 5 root z plus 6. Is it a polynomial? No. It is not a polynomial. Why? The degree of the variable is z, isn't it? Is not a non-negative integer. So you have learned for a polynomial the degree always should be a what? Non-negative integer. So z, the root z means what? Here it is 2 but here root z, z to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2. It's not a non-negative integer. Okay. So it should be a non-negative integer. Now coming to the third, 6x to the power 4 plus 2 by 3 x to the power 3 minus 3 by 4 x squared minus 1. So x to the power 4, x to the power 3, x to the power 2. So that means it is a polynomial. Isn't it? All are non-negative integers. Now fourth, 7x to the power 2 by 3 minus 8x to the power 3 by 2 and x squared. Here it is a non-negative integer but here they are not integers. So not a polynomial. Why? The degree of variable, here the variable is what? X is a rational number. Isn't it? Now here 5x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x squared minus 2. So here it is in the denominator. So when you take it up, it will be x to the power minus 1. This one will be x to the power minus 2. So again, not a polynomial. Because degree of variable x is not a non-negative integer. Now coming to the last, p to the power 4 minus 3p cube minus p plus 1. Here it is 4, here it is 3, here it is 1. So that means it is a polynomial. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number 2. Write each of the following polynomials in the standard form and also write down their degree. First write in the standard form. Standard form का मतलब क्या है? In the decreasing order of the powers, isn't it? So it is a, first how will you write? It is a minus 9, it has to be written first, isn't it? Minus 8p to the power 9. Next is p to the power 7. Next is p to the power 6. Then 5. This is the standard form. And degree is how much? The highest. What is it? 9. Now, second one. First, it will be minus 3z to the power 5 plus 2z to the power 4 plus 4z to the power 3 plus z plus 1. Now, what is the degree? Highest power is 5. Now question 3. Here you have to solve first. So how you have to solve? It is a x to the power, this full, x plus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, the whole power, a whole bracket, x plus 3 by 4. Isn't it? You can use the identities also, otherwise like this also you can do. Okay, it is a x squared plus 3 by 4 x plus 2 by 3 x plus, it is 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 gets cancelled, means 1 by 2. Isn't it? Now it is, you have to take the LCM here, like terms you have to solve, take the LCM. So it becomes 4 and 3, it is 12. So 4 threes are 3 threes are 9 plus, here it becomes 3 fours are 4 twos are 8 x plus 1 by 2. That means it became x squared plus 9 plus 8. It is a 16, 17 x upon 12 plus 1 by 2. So this is the polynomial, and here degree. What is the highest degree? Highest power, that is 2. Understood? When you get like this, you have to solve. Now again, it is a x squared minus 2 by 3 x squared plus 4 by 3. So x squared bracket open x squared plus 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 bracket open x squared plus 4 by 3. Okay, it will be x squared becomes x to the power 4 plus this becomes 4 by 3 x squared minus this becomes 2 by 3 x squared plus, now there is no cancellation, sorry, minus plus minus, 2 fours are 8, 3 threes are 9. Both threes are in the denominator, that is why no cancellation. Okay, now it will be x to the power 4. Now direct it is, both the bases, the denominators are same and a different sign, so subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2 by 3 x square minus 8 by 9. Now it is a degree. What is the highest power? It is 4. Clear? Now coming to the fifth sum, it is z squared plus 5 bracket z squared minus 6. So z squared bracket z squared minus 6 plus 5 bracket z squared minus 6. Now z squared becomes z to the power 4. Now here minus 6z squared, this one becomes plus 5z squared plus minus 5 6 are 30. Now z to the power 4 minus 6z squared plus 5z squared, that is minus, you have to subtract, isn't it? Minus 6 minus 5 is 1, so it becomes minus z squared minus 30. And here the degree is, सबसे बड़ा कितना है? 4. Clear? So that was question number 5. Second question, question number 5. Now coming to the sixth question. Now it is y cube minus 4 bracket y cube minus 5. Okay, again it is a y cube bracket open, y cube minus 5 minus 4, isn't it? Bracket open, y cube minus 5. Now y cube, so you have to multiplication, you have to add the powers, it became y to the power 6 minus y cube, 5y cube, now minus 4y cube, minus becomes plus 20. 4 5s are 20. So now this we have to solve. Y to the power 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 y cube plus 20. Now degree is कितना है? 6. Okay. Now coming to the seventh sum, p squared bracket open, p squared plus 7 plus 2 bracket p squared plus 7. p squared, p to the power 4 plus 7p squared. Now here plus 2p squared plus 7. Now here it is p to the power 4. 7 plus 2, 9. P squared plus, 2 7s are 14. Now the degree is 4. Are we understanding? You can use the algebraic identities, but you get confused. That is why I am using this method only. You can use any method. Okay. Now coming to the eighth sum. It is a 5 by 6z minus 3 by 4 z squared minus 2 by 3 z cube plus 1. So now there is no the other solution and all. So it is, this is a z cube, z squared, z. So you have to just rearrange. So सबसे पहले क्या लिखने का? minus 2 by 3 z cube. Then comes 3 by 4 z squared. Then comes plus 5 by 6 z plus 1. So it is just rearranging according to the, in the decreasing order of the powers. Now degree is how much? सबसे बड़ा वाला 3. Okay. Now here again it is P means 1, 6, 5, 2, 3. So first which one you have to write? It is a 15 P to the power 6, then minus P to the power 5. Next it is plus 4P square. Next plus 4P plus 3. याद रखो सामने कुछ भी साइन नहीं है, that means it is plus. Okay, now here the degree is सबसे बड़ा वाला 6. Now coming to the 10th sum, it is 10 to the power 10, q to the power 10 plus q to the power 6 minus q to the power 4 plus q to the power 8. So q to the power 10 you write first, then it is 8 q to the power 8, then q to the power 6, then q to the power 4. Degree is सबसे बड़ा वाला 10. Understood? So we have completed the worksheet 1. Hope everyone understood till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you.